At first, log in as a user to your payments platform. Now, activate your business. Complete the steps below to unlock payments. Now click the Activate button. Here you can activate your business. Here, enter your legal business name, select your industry, and provide your country, state, city, zip or postal code, along with your business address. Please ensure that your website or business profile is online and accessible for verification. Here, enter your website URL or business profile link, along with your phone number. Next, you must provide your personal details, including your first and last name, email address, phone number, and ownership percentage. If you are the primary owner, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. Please make sure that all the information you provide is accurate, as you will not be able to make changes later. Finally, click on the Verify Now button to complete the process. Congratulations, your business verification is successful. You're all set to start accepting payments. Here is the complete product tour. Please go through it for a better understanding. Congratulations, you are ready to create your payment link now and start accepting payments instantly. Here you can create your first payment link via the Create Payment or Quick Payment option. You can select the Quick Payment option to create a payment link instantly. Enter the amount you want and select Create Payment. Now click on the Open Payment page. This is the PayBito Secure Checkout section. Here, you need to fill in your details to proceed with the payment. Next, select how you would like to complete the payment. You can pay securely using a PayPal account. You can also pay with a credit or debit card via Stripe. Simply enter your card or bank details to complete the payment. Alternatively, you can pay with cryptocurrency. Choose your preferred coin and select the appropriate network. You can then choose to pay using your wallet, connect an external wallet, complete the payment as a guest. You can select the Create Payment option to start accepting payments. There is also a tour guide available here for your better understanding. Here you can assemble your profiles to generate a shareable payment link, choose the product, choose the price, and give a payment name. You can customize it from here. You can add payment options, fee handling, buyer info, shipping, discount, and redirects. You can also access these templates from here. A separate video will also be created for this section. Now select the Create Payment Link option to generate a payment link. Now move on to the Products section. Here you can manage your products, pricing, and catalogs. You can add your product here. Fill in the product details below, product name, image URL, status, and product description. You can add an attributes section from here. Define attributes like size, color, etc. Each attribute maps directly to the API's attribute field. Here you can set your product price, enable track inventory to set a stock quantity for this price, and enter the stock quantity. You can add another currency here. Here you can also see the price summary. You can add metadata here and save the product. Proceed to the catalog section. You can create a new catalog by entering a catalog name and a description. Select the product and its price, then click the Add button and save the catalog. Once saved, you will be able to view your catalogs here, as well as edit or delete them as needed. This is the Dashboard section. Here, you can track revenue, manage actions, and monitor activity. Here you can see the total amount processed by you, the total value of successful transactions, and the amount available for withdrawal. This is the Quick Action section, where you can create a payment link or button, create a product, and withdraw funds. Here, you can view your account status. You can also see your recent transactions here. Let's move on to the Transaction section. Here, you can view and manage all payments. you can see your total transaction volume, successful transactions, failed transactions, and refunded transactions. All your transactions are listed here. You can export a CSV file using this button. Let's move on to the settlement section. This is your settlement wallet, where you can manage your crypto assets and transactions. From here, you can withdraw your crypto and transfer it to your PayBito wallet, external wallet, or withdraw it to your bank account. You can also view all your transactions here. This is the Add Crypto Address section. Here, you can manage your crypto asset addresses, select Add Address, fill in the required fields, and save your details. This is the Add Bank section. Here, you need to fill in all the required bank details, including account information and bank information. Please ensure that all details are accurate before submission, as any discrepancies may result in transaction delays or rejection. Your bank information is encrypted and securely stored. Save the changes once completed. This is the Analytics Insights section. Here you can analyze payment performance, revenue trends, and transaction activity. Here you can select time duration to analyze payment performance. You can export Excel from this button. This is Key Metrics section, where you can see total processed volume, total transaction, success rate, average payment size, processing fees collected, and customer paid fees. Here you can track volume and payment count across your selected period. Here you can check transaction health, payment type performance with payment sources or driving revenue, top payment links or products, your best performing offerings by revenue, transaction size distribution, customer spending behavior by payment size, top countries paying, geographic distribution of transactions. Here you can see all your failed payments, understanding what's causing checkout drop-offs. Here you can see settlement summary, finance team overview of funds movement. Here data for accounting and analysis. This is the reward analytics section, where you can track the performance of your reward campaigns. Here you can view key metrics such as the total rewards paid out today, the current billing period, the number of unique customers, the average reward per transaction, rewards used at checkout, and the number of active campaigns currently running. You can also view all rewards issued over the last 6 months. This section provides a breakdown of the total rewards issued by type. Additionally, you can see your top performing campaigns, campaign details, and the most recently issued rewards. From here, you can create new campaigns, manage all existing campaigns, and access the rewards home. This is the User Management section. Here, you can manage sub-accounts and access permissions. Click the Add User button to create a new sub-account with custom permissions. Fill in the required details, and once all the fields are completed, click the Create Sub-Account button. This is the Payment Setup section, where you can manage payment gateway credentials and API keys to set up your payments. You can accept card payments via Stripe, enter your publishable key and secret key, and then save the changes. You can also accept PayPal payments. Enter your client ID and secret key, and then save the changes. Let's move on to the Checkout Template section. A separate video will also be created for this section. This is the Payment Options section. Here, you can add a profile to configure the payment methods available at checkout. This is the Fees Handling section. Here, you can configure how processing fees are handled for your transactions. This setting determines whether the processing fee is added to the checkout total, paid by the customer, or deducted from your payout, absorbed by the merchant. This applies across all billing profiles. Let's move on to the Buyer Info section. Here, you can create a profile to define what information to collect from customers. This is the Shipping section. Here, you can add a profile to define shipping and tax rates for your checkout. This is the Discounts section. Here, you can create rule-based cart discounts with up to 50 rules per profile. Let's move on to the Redirect section. Here, you can control where customers are redirected after checkout. You can create a template to manage post-checkout redirects. This is the Rewards section. Customers receive rewards automatically after payment. Here, you can set up a campaign to reward customers after payment. Let's move on to the Limit section. Here you can view your approved revenue volume and transaction limits. You have a limit of $100,000 per day and 10,000 payments per month. You can change plan from here. There are 4 types of plans available: Light Plan, Basic Plan, Business Plan, and Enterprise Plan. This is the payment tolerance section. Here, you can configure how overpayments and underpayments are handled, tolerance thresholds for each currency. When a payment falls within the defined range, it will be automatically accepted or adjusted. Select the currency here. If a payment is underpaid but within the defined threshold, the invoice amount is automatically adjusted so it is considered fully paid. If a customer overpays, the system can automatically credit the excess amount to your ledger, provided it falls within the tolerance threshold. This is the Developers section. Here, create and manage your API keys and permissions. Generate a new key for your integrations. Enter API key name here and select the Create button. You can see all your API keys from this section. By clicking this option, we'll open the PayBito Pro API documentation directly. This is the Domain Whitelisting section. You can add a maximum of 5 domains per merchant. Only requests originating from whitelisted domains will be accepted by the Payment API. Each domain has a default rate limit of 3,600 requests per hour. To request a higher limit, click Request Increase on any domain row. Enter your domain name here and click the Add Domain button. You must add at least one domain to restrict API access. This is the webhook section. You can receive real-time payment in subscription events. Click this button to add endpoint, fill in all the details here, and save the endpoint. Thank you for watching.